You know what, guys? I just turned 48. And habang tumatanda tayo, minsan naisip natin, ay, grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Pero alam mo, real talk, hindi lang years ang dumadaan, grace ni Lord ang dumadaloy. Every wrinkle, every scar, every story, it's a proof na kahit ilang ulit tayong nadapa, God was faithful to lift us up. Age doesn't define how old we are. It defines how much God has carried us through. So instead of saying, tumatanda na ako, why not say, mas pinapatunayan ni Lord kung gaano siya kabuti sa buhay ko. Sabi nga sa Psalm 90 verse 12, teach us to number our days, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Another year, another testimony, another age, another grace. And if you're still breathing, it means God's not done showing His goodness yet. Real talk, it's not just my birthday. It's God's reminder that life itself is a gift.